Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How's life going on? What's up? Nice to meet you. These are all the words that we hear people speak every day. You know what they are called? These are greetings. And today I am going to teach you a better way to greet others. Today I am going to teach you to greet someone in a more professional and pleasant manner. So the first unconventional way that you can greet someone good morning is to say, hey, good day to you. When you want to sound very pleasant and very friendly, you can say, hey, good day to you. And if you want to inquire about someone's well-being, if you are really concerned about someone's well-being and you want to sound friendly too, you can say, hi, how's life treating you? You can say, hi, how's life treating you? And if you want to say hi to someone, if you want to greet someone in a very beautiful manner, you can say, hello sunshine. You can say, hello sunshine. And if you want to inquire about some latest information, some latest things that are happening around, you can say, hey, what's the scoop? And you can ask about that, what's the latest news? Instead of saying what's the latest news, you can say, hey, what's the scoop? Hey, what's the scoop? And if you want to, send greetings from your mother or from your city to another person, you can say greetings from Lahore, or you can say greetings from my mother, greetings from my father. This way you can sound very professional and you can sound fluent too. And if you want to tell someone that you really appreciate their company, you really appreciate the time that you spent with them, you can say good to be in your company. You can say good to be in your company. By company over here we mean that you liked the company, you like the people. There is a friendly and informal way to ask what's going around. So you can say hello, what's cracking, or you can say hey, what's cracking. You can also say hi, what's cracking. This is a very informal way to ask what's going around. And if you really like the company of some people, if you really appreciate the people around you, you can say hello beautiful people. You can say hello beautiful people. You can say hello gorgeous people. You can change the adjective as per your choice. And if you want to know that how someone's day is going on, say how's your day treating you. You can say how is your day treating you. And if you really like to meet someone, instead of saying nice to talk to you, you can say hey, lovely to see you. You can say lovely to see you. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Please like and share. Allah Hafiz.